Hey, it's Critter Kim, and we're going to be installing skunk fencing today because all along the side of this building, the skunks are tunneling under it. Alright, so this is the inside of the crawl space, what we just looked at the outside of, and this is Dominique.
The mole.
Yeah, she's our mole, and she has dug all of this out. And then we've got some more. We gotta shimmy through there and then dig out the rest of it, and then we'll start installing the skunk fencing. So the boss is a fucking champ. He let me use the big hammer drill today. He's like, I need it too, but when I explained what I was doing, he was like, you need it worse. You think I would know by now the bit gets hot. Okay, so I've got the mesh installed. And it runs the whole way. And here where it was all caved out, I had to add a double layer of mesh, and I already concreted in one layer. And then we'll concrete this. Alright, so this is the second section, and we have to crawl through this hole. And Dominique has dug this all out, and then we're gonna have to pack all the concrete in here and mix it with the garden hose in here because we can't get that full of concrete through the hole. This is how you mix concrete underneath of a house. Alright, it's all sealed, except for the corners where there's concrete. There goes the bucket with Dominique. She is a fucking trooper, pardon my language. Oh my god, this girl is a worker. She did all this by herself. And there it is. Just like none of that ever happened. There's a tunnel. Alright, this is the first section. Looking good. All sealed up.